How to change your profile background on Mobile Legends. This tutorial shows you how to update your MLBB profile background on your Android device. First, open the Mobile Legends app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon to open your profile page. From there, tap on the Settings button at the top right corner of the screen. At this point, tap on Backgrounds from the drop-down menu. In the next step, you'll see a variety of background options available to choose from. Following this, keep in mind that most backgrounds will be locked by default. Once done, to unlock them, you'll need to reach specific mastery levels during the current season, such as Mythical Glory or Mythical Honor. From here, once a background is unlocked, simply tap on it to select it. Finally, your profile background will be updated immediately and visible to anyone who visits your profile. And that's it. If this Mobile Legends guide helped you change your profile background, give it a like, subscribe for more gaming tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.